Hello. We know that a company generally is taxed by its home country. It is actually rather common that a company can be taxed by two or more jurisdictions. That is the double taxation situation. Here we're going to see how we can use the B2T engine to calculate taxes for each of those jurisdictions automatically. Basically, what we need to do is to list those jurisdictions in the input file to the engine. And the engine, since it has all rates and rules, will do the calculation automatically. Let's take a look at a simple example. Here's a simple example of the hello world, where it is about a company P, a USA company P, that has a revenue of $1,000 and we want to calculate taxes for it. So we use the easy button here and we send it to the engine. And if the engine happens to start code, it may take 20-30 seconds to warm up. Otherwise, it'll be rather quick. So it's down. Let's open the output file from the engine. Now we see the engine did one calculation for the company and for its home country, USA. On $1,000, it has a tax expense of $210. So now, what if the company P is also subject to taxes of other countries, say like Mexico, Canada, or even Ontario, province of the Canada? Let's go back to the input file to do just that. So we close out the output file. That is the original input file. We go to the setup input sheet, and here's the entity record. And we're going to enter those other jurisdictions under the column other tax jurisdictions. So here for P, we're going to enter MEX, comma, for Mexico, CAN, Canada, and CAN space ON for Ontario province of Canada. So now for P, we have 4 jurisdictions, including the home country. So we save it. And we're going to go to the easy button on the recurring input sheet and submit it again. And it's done. Let's take a look at the output again. Now we see 4 jurisdictions. The engine calculated taxes for each of those jurisdictions for the company P on its income of $1,000. And because of different rates of those countries, we have different tax expense. So to summarize, when a company is subject to multiple jurisdictions, we need to tell the engine that there are other tax jurisdictions using a comma-separated list and use the standard jurisdiction code such as country code. And the engine, since it has all the rates and rules, it will automatically do the taxes for each of those listed jurisdictions. That's it. Thanks for watching.